All right, so I'm on this garage build. I'm redoing my garage. I'm gonna be lifting the roof structure up about 5 or 6 feet, framing new exterior walls and putting it back down on that. And then this area is gonna be a shed roof carport out to those 3 pier footings that I'm gonna pour. And then eventually I'll pour a slab here. So I removed the top course of block from the original foundation. So this is more CMU block below. This row seems to be filled with concrete or grouted, because when I drilled into it, I had solid material all the way down. So the top section of block was in really rough shape, so I just removed it all the way around. This slab was poured last year, almost exactly a year ago, and is really a good slab. It's 4 to 5 inches thick, 6 maybe. So I pinned into this existing slab. I went down about 2 inches to drill in, and then epoxied the rebar dowels into there. Then I figured might as well work on my welding skills a little bit with rebar. I've never really welded rebar before, so I figured instead of tying everything off with rebar ties, I might as well just spot weld all the joints. Took a little bit of extra time, but it came out really good. These joints here I did with a 70-18 stick at an 1/8 inch diameter, and so that was a little bit of overkill, I think, for these 1/2 inch rebar. So you can kind of see that I burned through the rebar in a couple locations, which is not a big deal. I mean, it's all tied together, it's all really strong. It doesn't even really need to be here, but I figured might as well do it right. So anyway, on this side I did the stick welding, and not as good success, honestly, as the flux core that I did afterwards. So over here, and I just bent 20-foot pieces of rebar around the corners and went as long as I could. So over here I started to do the flux core, and that came out a lot better. And I stuck with the flux core for the rest of the building, and everything came out pretty good. I mean, like, it's it's super strong. I can stand on it right here. Just that little joint holds up my entire weight. So the welding's good, and it was nice to practice. So we'll pour this after the inspector comes out on Thursday, and we'll do a video of that.